Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Anything LLM honest review. So, Anything LLM is basically a bring your own AI app that lets you run a private ChatGPT style workspace where you can chat with your own documents, build little agents, workflows, and choose what model or embeddings plus vector databases sits underneath it. Now, the official pitch is pretty clear here. It's designed to be a private by default with locally running defaults for the LLM, embedder, vector, DB, storage unless you decide to connect cloud providers. And the GitHub readme here, if you try reading it, well, the thing with this one is it frames it the same way. A full stack app to run locally or host remotely so you can chat with documents you provide. Now, how does it actually works in normal terms here, or in simplified terms? Well, you install the desktop app or run it via a Docker or self-hosted here. So you can connect a model local via something like Olama, like LM Studio endpoints, or cloud via APIs. Then you load documents into a workspace. Anything LLM chops those documents up, stores embeddings in a vector databases, and basically what we have here is when you ask a question, it pulls most relevant chunks and feeds them to the model as context. That's the whole RAG idea here. On desktop specifically, their docs call it like a single player app, meaning to get local LLMs plus RAG plus agents going with little configuration. Now, what about the honest part here? So what people are actually saying about it. Now, what people are saying about it on platforms like Reddit here, well, you see posts that are straight up frustrated. One person called it a nightmare, calling it, saying even like getting a summary was painful unless they pinned a document, and that agent felt broken and docs felt confusing. But what's interesting here is there's also a newer thread where people complains it feels useless, and then a reply including like an update from the project side says that behavior got fixed and that anything LM now does full document comprehension first with RAG as fallback, basically acknowledging that the earlier experience was really confusing. Now, another common real talk or how people are discussing it or theme you'll see on Reddit is comparison. Now, people often frame anything else as a simpler all-in-one doc plus agent starter, while open web UI is more like a Swiss Army knife with lots of knobs. So if you're the type of person or type who wants to tinker endlessly, some folks actually drift towards like open web UI. And if you want something that feels more like a package app, like anything LLM here is the one they try first. So, is anything LLM worth using right now? So, if you want a private, self-hosted chat with my document setup that doesn't require you to build your own RAG pipeline from scratch, that makes a lot of sense, especially because it supports swapping models and vector DBs without rewriting everything. And where it can be disappointing is if you expect RAG to feel like an AI fully understands your entire PDF perfectly every time, because even the Reddit discussions point out that most RAG tools, anything LM included, are fundamentally doing smart search plus retrievals over chunks, not magically understanding your whole library like a human would. Now, that's about it. If you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.